Welcome back guys, wish you very well. This is Gautam and you are on our channel Cooking with Sapna. Today we are going to make vegan vindaloo. Vindaloo is a famous dish from the state of Goa situated on the western coast of India, and it is also very popular around the world. Traditionally it is made from meat marinated in very flavorful spices. However, today we are going to make it with the pumpkin so that people with strict vegetarian and vegan diet can also enjoy it. So for making vegan vindaloo, we are going to take about 10 to 12 dried whole red chilies or 1 tablespoon of red chili powder in a grinder. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, a 2 inches piece of ginger, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 4 tablespoons of vinegar, and we are going to grind it to make vindaloo paste. So our vindaloo paste is ready. Now we will marinate nearly 500 grams of diced pumpkin with vindaloo paste. So we will marinate these pumpkin pieces with the vindaloo paste, and guys, for best result, just keep it marinated for nearly 1 hour. Traditionally vindaloo is made using pork, but people also make it from chicken, from beef, from lamb. And vegetarian vindaloo is made just like I'm using pumpkin. You can also make it with mushrooms or paneer or whatever vegetable you like. So all depend on your preference. And guys, I'm also going to use some potatoes, fried one, in this dish. So we will keep aside this pumpkin and fry potatoes. We will heat oil in a pan and we will fry 4 medium-sized potatoes diced. Guys, this vindaloo is very famous around the world. Wherever you are, you just go in any Asian restaurant and you'll find vindaloo dish being served. Normally it is very spicy and aromatic, and a different part in this recipe is that it doesn't use tomatoes. Instead of tomatoes, we use vinegar, as you have already seen. While I was making vindaloo paste, I used nearly 4 tablespoons of vinegar. So we will deep fry the potatoes until they are golden. So our potatoes are golden. We will take them out. Now we will saute some onions and whole spices. So we will take some of the oil out and use the same pan. So we are using nearly 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan, and we are going to add 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 4 to 5 cloves and 10 peppercorns, and we are going to stir it. Now we will add 2 medium-sized onions sliced. We will saute the onions till they are golden brown in color. Our onions have become golden brown in color. Now we will add 3 to 4 green chilies chopped and our already marinated pumpkin pieces. We will mix them well with the onions. Now we will add nearly 1 cup of water. I have washed my grinder with that 1 cup of water and also rinsed this bowl in order to avoid any wastage of these spices. We will mix them. We will allow these pumpkin pieces to cook while covered, and we will also stir it occasionally. And guys, right now my whole house is just filled with the aromatic spices. So we will keep the heat on medium and stir in between. So our pumpkins have started to become slightly soft. And guys, normally the gravy of a vindaloo is quite thick, but you can adjust the consistency by adding more or less water. So we will cook it further. So guys, our pumpkin pieces have become soft, and it took in all nearly 20 minutes to cook. But it also depends on the size of pumpkin pieces you are cutting. So always keep an eye, keep stirring and cook it until they are soft. So now we will add salt to taste, mix it, and we will add fried potatoes, mix them all together. And at this stage we will turn off the heat and garnish it with spring onion greens and chopped coriander. And in this way our vegan vindaloo is ready. Now we will serve it into the plate. Guys, it smells really amazing, and now comes the time to try. So let's try it. Guys, words are insufficient for this recipe. Really spicy and delicious, soft and juicy pieces of pumpkin with all the soaked spices and the crispy potatoes are providing it bulk and texture. Traditionally, the vindaloo is tried with rice, and you also try with the combination in rice, and I'm damn sure that you are going to love it. So guys, do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out for you in the comment section. I hope you like our video. If you do, subscribe, like and share. And for more detailed recipe, do visit our website cookingwithsapna.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do press the bell icon for new video notifications. So guys, take care, stay safe, see you next time.